looking for your next getaway in Egypt. Let's dive deep into what White Hills Resort has to offer. This property has been making waves among travelers seeking a blend of comfort, entertainment, and that classic Egyptian hospitality. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic escape, or just need to unwind from the daily grind, this resort promises an experience worth talking about. So grab your notebook because we're about to break down everything you need to know before booking your stay. Let's talk about where you'll be resting your head at night. The accommodation options at White Hills Resort cater to pretty much every type of traveler you can imagine. Starting with the standard rooms, you're looking at spaces that don't skimp on comfort. These rooms come equipped with modern amenities that make you feel right at home, including air conditioning that actually works, which is crucial in the Egyptian climate. The beds are comfortable enough to make you hit that snooze button a few extra times, and the linens are fresh and clean. Each standard room features a private balcony or terrace, giving you that perfect spot for your morning coffee or evening wind down. The bathrooms are well maintained with decent water pressure, something that can make or break a hotel stay. Moving up the ladder, the suites offer significantly more space for those who like to stretch out. These larger accommodations often include separate living areas, making them ideal for families or groups who want a bit more room to breathe. The suite bathrooms typically feature both shower and bathtub options, and some even come with double sinks, which anyone who's shared a bathroom knows is a game changer. Views from the rooms vary depending on your location within the resort, with some overlooking the gardens, others facing the pools, and the premium options offering sea views that make waking up early actually worthwhile. The resort also provides family suites specifically designed with parents and kids in mind, featuring configurations that give everyone their own space while keeping the family unit together. These family-focused rooms often include additional amenities like mini fridges and extra storage space for all that beach gear. The decor throughout maintains a contemporary feel with touches of local Egyptian aesthetics, creating an atmosphere that reminds you where you are without being overly themed. Housekeeping does a solid job of keeping everything tidy, with daily service that respects your privacy while ensuring you come back to a clean space. The rooms also include modern conveniences like flat-screen televisions, safes for your valuables, and complimentary toiletries that are actually decent quality. Climate control is individually adjustable, so you can set your perfect temperature without negotiating with your travel companions. Now let's get to one of the most important parts of any vacation, the food. White Hills Resort takes dining seriously, offering multiple restaurants and bars that cater to different tastes and moods. The main restaurant operates on a buffet basis for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, serving an impressive spread that changes daily to keep things interesting. Breakfast is particularly noteworthy with everything from traditional Egyptian dishes to international favorites like pancakes, fresh fruits, pastries, and made-to-order eggs. The coffee is decent, though serious coffee enthusiasts might want to seek out the espresso bar for a more refined cup. For lunch and dinner, the buffet expands to include multiple cuisine stations featuring Mediterranean dishes, grilled meats, fresh seafood, pasta stations, and an array of salads and vegetables. The quality of the food is consistently good, with chefs preparing dishes fresh throughout service times. Beyond the main buffet restaurant, the resort features specialty dining venues that require reservations but offer a more intimate dining experience. The Italian restaurant serves up authentic pasta dishes, wood-fired pizzas, and classic Italian entrees that transport you straight to the Mediterranean. The seafood restaurant showcases the bounty of the Red Sea, with fresh catches prepared in various styles from grilled to fried to baked. There's also an Asian fusion restaurant that brings together flavors from across the continent, offering sushi, stir-fries, and curry dishes that satisfy those craving something different. Each specialty restaurant maintains its own ambience and service style, providing variety throughout your stay. The bars scattered around the property ensure you're never far from refreshment. The pool bar serves up tropical cocktails, cold beers, and non-alcoholic options throughout the day, becoming a social hub where guests gather to swap stories and make new friends. The lobby bar offers a more refined atmosphere, perfect for evening cocktails or a nightcap before bed. Some bars feature live music on certain evenings, adding entertainment to your drinking experience. The resort operates on an all-inclusive basis for most guests, meaning your meals and drinks are covered, though some premium spirits and special dining experiences might incur additional charges. Snack bars and cafes provide options between main meals, serving sandwiches, ice cream, and light bites to keep hunger at bay. The service across all dining venues maintains a friendly professionalism, with staff members who remember your preferences after a day or two. The aquatic facilities at White Hills Resort deserve serious attention because they're often where guests spend most of their time. The resort boasts multiple swimming pools designed for different purposes and preferences. The main pool is a sprawling affair that serves as the resort's centerpiece, large enough to accommodate plenty of swimmers without feeling crowded even during peak season. This pool features both shallow and deep sections, making it suitable for confident swimmers and those who prefer to wade. Surrounding the main pool, you'll find hundreds of sun loungers arranged in rows, though getting your preferred spot might require an early morning claim during busy periods. The pool area includes shaded sections for those who have had enough sun, as well as umbrellas available for additional coverage. A separate pool caters specifically to children, with shallower depths and often featuring water features or slides that keep the little ones entertained for hours. Some areas of the resort include quieter pools designed for adults seeking a more peaceful swimming experience away from the energetic family atmosphere. These adult-oriented pools tend to be smaller but offer a more relaxed vibe, perfect for reading a book or just floating in peace. The pool bars we mentioned earlier are strategically positioned so you can order drinks without leaving the water, which is vacation done right. Animation teams organize pool games and activities throughout the day, from water aerobics to volleyball tournaments, though participation is entirely optional for those who prefer to just chill. The beach access is one of White Hills Resort's major selling points, with the property offering direct access to a private beach area along the Red Sea coast. The beach features the same sun lounger setup as the pools, with additional beach umbrellas providing shade. The sand is regularly cleaned and maintained, though it's natural beach sand rather than the artificially white powder you might find at some resorts. The water entry is generally gentle, making it accessible for swimmers of all confidence levels, though it's always worth checking local conditions and following any posted warnings. Snorkeling opportunities exist right off the beach, with the Red Sea's famous marine life visible even in shallow waters. The resort provides some basic snorkeling equipment, though serious snorkelers might prefer bringing their own gear for better fit and quality. Water sports are available through the resort's beach activity center, offering options like kayaking, paddleboarding, and windsurfing. Some activities are included in the all-inclusive package while others carry additional fees, so it's worth checking what's covered. The beach also serves as a venue for evening entertainment occasionally, with themed beach parties or barbecues adding variety to the dining and social scene. Lifeguards are present during designated hours, providing an extra layer of safety for families with children. The combination of multiple pools and beach access means you can vary your water-based activities throughout your stay, switching between the controlled environment of the pools and the natural beauty of the sea. Beyond lounging by the water, White Hills Resort offers a solid range of activities to keep you entertained throughout your stay. The fitness center caters to guests who maintain their workout routines even on vacation, equipped with cardio machines, free weights, and basic strength training equipment. It's not a state-of-the-art gym, but it covers the essentials for maintaining your fitness regimen. The facility is air-conditioned, which is essential given the climate, and typically open from early morning until evening. For those who prefer their exercise outdoors, the resort features tennis courts where you can book time for a match. Equipment is usually available for loan, though bringing your own racket ensures you get the grip and weight you prefer. Beach volleyball courts provide another active option, with informal games often starting up spontaneously among guests. The animation team, which we touched on earlier, runs a packed schedule of organized activities throughout the day. These range from dance classes to sports tournaments to games and competitions that encourage guest interaction. Participation is always voluntary, so you can engage as much or as little as you like without pressure. Evening entertainment ramps up after dinner, with shows featuring live music, dance performances, and themed entertainment nights. The quality of these shows varies, but they provide enjoyable diversion, and the performers clearly put effort into their presentations. Some evenings feature guest participation elements, which can be hilarious if you're in the mood to get involved or equally entertaining to watch from the sidelines. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, excursion desks can arrange trips to local attractions, diving expeditions, desert safaris, and cultural tours. These come at additional cost but provide opportunities to experience more of what Egypt offers. The resort also includes game rooms with billiards, table tennis, and other recreational options for when you want indoor entertainment. Some properties in this category offer cultural activities like Arabic language lessons, cooking demonstrations, or crafts workshops that give insight into local traditions. Water-based activities beyond basic swimming include organized snorkeling trips to better reefs, diving courses for those wanting to explore deeper waters, and boat excursions along the coast. The variety ensures that whether you're an active traveler or prefer relaxed pursuits, you'll find ways to fill your days. The spa and wellness facilities provide that essential element of relaxation and pampering that turns a good vacation into a great one. The spa at White Hills Resort offers a menu of treatments designed to help you unwind and rejuvenate. Massage options range from traditional Swedish and deep tissue to more specialized techniques that target specific tension areas. The therapists are generally skilled and professional, creating an atmosphere of calm from the moment you enter the spa area. Facial treatments use quality products and can be customized to your skin type and concerns, whether you're dealing with sun exposure, dryness, or just want some extra pampering. Body treatments include scrubs, wraps, and other services that leave your skin feeling refreshed and smooth. The spa facility itself typically includes amenities beyond the treatment rooms, such as sauna and steam room access. These heat experiences are perfect for relaxing muscles, opening pores, and just sweating out the stresses of daily life. Some spa areas include relaxation lounges where you can rest before or after treatments, often with herbal teas and light refreshments provided. Hydrotherapy options might include jacuzzis or special water-based treatments that combine therapeutic benefits with pure relaxation. The spa operates on an appointment basis and booking ahead is recommended, especially during peak seasons when slots fill up quickly. Prices for spa services are additional to the all-inclusive package, but they're generally reasonable compared to what you'd pay at home. Couples treatments are available for those traveling romantically, allowing you to share the spa experience in dedicated couples rooms. The wellness aspect extends beyond the spa with activities like yoga classes offered in peaceful settings, sometimes on the beach at sunrise or in garden areas. These classes cater to various skill levels, so beginners needn't feel intimidated. Some resorts in this category also offer meditation sessions or wellness workshops covering topics like nutrition, stress management, or healthy lifestyle habits. The overall wellness philosophy encourages guests to take time for self-care, whether through formal spa treatments or simply taking advantage of the peaceful environment to rest and recharge. Beauty services like hairdressing, manicures, and pedicures are often available through the spa as well, perfect for maintaining your vacation glow or preparing for a special evening. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.